People who wish to harm you often carry these 5 actions, and often you may not even notice the identification of these individuals. The task is not always easy, however, there are clear signs that can warn you about these malicious people. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 things these people often do, providing essential warning signs so you can protect yourself and create a healthy environment around you. Just as there are those who wish you well, there are also those who seek to harm you for what you are. If you seek clarity and well-being in your relationships, this content is especially for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more perspectives that can transform the way you see the world. Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, taught that the ability to discern the character of others is crucial to preserving our inner tranquility. You must be wondering what characterizes a bad person, and that is precisely what I will explain now. A bad person is one who acts selfishly and does not care about harming others to achieve success. That's why they practice the 5 actions I'm about to address. Epicurus, another Stoic philosopher, emphasized the importance of maintaining internal balance, regardless of the actions of others around us. Without further ado, let's delve into the first telltale signs of people with bad intentions. Stoic reflection leads us to understand that control over our reactions to the actions of others is one of the pillars for achieving inner serenity. First sign, persistent gossip. Persistent gossip is one of the most obvious characteristics of people with bad intentions. It is the persistent habit of spreading rumors about others. While gossip may seem harmless at first glance, it actually undermines trust and creates divisions between people. Seneca mentioned that gossip is the poison that contaminates human relationships, undermining trust and harmony. Second sign, excessive competitiveness. While a certain degree of competition can be healthy and motivating, people with bad intentions often exhibit a level of competitiveness that exceeds acceptable limits. Epicurus warned us of the danger of unbridled competition, which can divert us from the true purpose of life, the pursuit of virtue and wisdom. Third sign, lack of empathy. Empathy refers to the ability to understand and share someone else's feelings. Individuals with bad intentions often lack this essential skill. Epicurus taught that empathy is a sign of inner strength and a virtue that connects us with humanity. Fourth sign, handling. Manipulation is a tool often employed by people with bad intentions. Resorting to tactics like emotional blackmail or even blatant lies to achieve your goals. Seneca emphasized the importance of maintaining integrity in the face of external manipulations, preserving morale and integrity. Fifth sign, constant victimization. Someone who systematically positions themselves as a victim, regardless of the situation, may be trying to manipulate others. Seneca warned of the danger of engaging with people who constantly portray themselves as victims, as this could be a strategy to manipulate the sympathy of others. These are the first 5 signs that can indicate bad intentions in people around you. In the pursuit of Stoic wisdom, it is crucial to be aware of these signs, but also to trust in the beauty of genuine relationships. The true wealth, as the Stoic philosophers taught, lies in the inner tranquility and quality of the relationships we cultivate throughout life. In this deep dive into the telltale signs of evil intentions in people, we learn the importance of recognizing these toxic patterns to protect our inner peace and cultivate healthy relationships. Always remember the Stoic wisdom: true wealth lies in inner tranquility and in the quality of the relationships we build. If this content has brought clarity and valuable insights to your journey, I invite you to join us in this ongoing quest for wisdom and personal growth. Don't miss any transformative content that can shape your perspective and enrich your life. Subscribe to the channel now to continue this journey of self-discovery. Let's grow together, and until the next video.